Hey, how's it going, guys? It's me, Bobby, here with Tmat at the Tmat HQ, because I want to show you something awesome. If you're watching this, you probably got a Chevrolet Silverado. And if you're a lot like us, you like upgrading your trucks. So check this out. This is the first upgrade any truck owner should make to their truck. It's called Tmat. It's a modular cargo system that works with any setup, anywhere, in any vehicle. It installs in minutes with no tools and no drilling and keeps all your gear in place at every bump and turn. Plus, it allows for super easy slide out access. Tmat is made out of injection mold polypropylene right here in the United States. So it's extremely durable and weather resistant. You may be wondering, but what happens when it gets dirty? What happens if it gets wet? Nothing. Tmat's got drainage holes that allow all that junk and water and whatever you got in the back of your truck to pass right through. And if you do want to clean it, you can take it out, hose it down, and it'll be ready to go in no time. These blockers is where the magic happens. This is what's going to keep all your gear in place. You install them super easily, like this or like this, and it's going to keep all your gear in place at every bump and turn. You can also move them around, so if you want to try different setups, customize things to make things easier for you, that's what Tmat's for. So no matter what you use your Silverado for, Tmat is going to make a huge difference. It's going to keep everything in place while you're driving. No more hitting the brakes and hearing all your gear smash into the cab, or hitting the gas a little too hard and hearing your toolboxes hit the tailgate. No more of that. Get a Tmat and go from chaos to control. I'll see you guys next time.